Good morning, students. Let's look at this question. In how many ways can two students be selected from a group of five students in a debating competition? So we have a group of five students from which two are to be selected for a debating competition. So in how many ways can you do it? Five students, two to be selected in no order. So in how many ways can you do it? You can pick two in how many ways? That is what you are going to do. So this problem is a problem of permutation and combination. So there is what we call permutation, and there is what we call combination. So permutation has to do with with arrangements, arranging objects in certain orders. You understand, like how to arrange five people in a seat in a straight line, or how to arrange a number of people around a table or around a table. So this is when it has to do with arrangement, the number of ways of arranging things in particular order. Then we're talking about permutation. Then when it has to do with selection, then we're talking about combination, like in how many way can 10 students be selected from a class of 50. You have a class of 50 students, in how many ways can we select them? So that is what combination is all about. This is for arrangement and this is for selection. And the selection has no order. So this particular problem is that of combination. Is that of combination. So and in combination, we have a formula written as n combination R, which is evaluated by taking n factorial over n minus r factorial, then r factorial. So this is the formula for for combination. So this is saying this represents selection of r numbers of item from a group of n. Just like we have two students to be selected from a group of five. So the number of selection is the number to be selected is R, represented with R. Then the N is the total number from which you are selecting R. So y n combination R is the number of ways of selecting R objects from a group of n objects. And it is evaluated using n factorial over n minus r factorial. And when we say factorial, the factorial of a number, for instance, n factorial, we mean the product of all the positive integers from 1 to up to n. So multiplying, for instance, factorial of 3 means the positive integers from 1 up to 3, the whole numbers from 1 up to 3, like 1, 2, up to 3, then multiply them together. That's what, factorial means. But for example, when we say 3 factorial, we actually mean multiply from 3 until you get to 1. All the positive integers from 3 down to 1. That is what 3 factorial means. So if that is the case, in this particular problem, our R is 2. Because we are to select two students from a group of 5. So in this case, our R is 2, then N is equals to 5. So which means we're going to evaluate 5 combination 2. 5 combination 2. So which by this formula will be 5 factorial all over 5 minus 2 factorial. 5 minus 2 factorial and 2 factorial. So this gives us 5 factorial all over 5 minus 2 is 3, then factorial, then 2 factorial. So we can go further to evaluate. We know that 5 factorial is 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 up till 1, but we can stop at 3 factorial for us to be able to cancel it out with this. So all over 3 factorial, 2 factorial. So this cancels this. Then we'll be left with 5 times 4, which is 20. Then all over 2 factorial is 2 times 1. So which is 20 all over 2, giving us 10. So imply that there are 10 ways. There are 10 ways of selecting two students from a group of 5 students for this competition. So there are 10 ways of doing that. And this you can practicalize. So you can randomly pick 2 out of 5 in 10 ways. So that is what it means. So that this is how it is solved. Thank you.